Want to enjoy the taste of Vietnam without spending too much? Watch this video till the end to know more. And so what's up mga Lodi? Talk along ML Quezon Street in Angeles City is a hidden gem that brings the taste of Vietnam to your table. Welcome to Nha Mana Pho. Ang cozy at homey ng vibes dito, parang nasa Vietnamese kitchen ka talaga. From the rustic decor, warm lighting hanggang sa mababait na stuffs, perfect to for your next food trip or chill lunch with your friends. Dito, hindi mo na kailangang gumastos pa ng malaki para sa legit Vietnamese food, kaya syempre, ang sinubukan namin ay yung kanilang mga bestsellers. First up is this Goi Quan, fresh spring rolls na puno ng shrimp, herbs at vermicelli. Goods ito for me lalo na kapag isinawsaw sa rich peanut hoisin sauce. Next, Buntit Nuong, grilled pork na smoky at tender, served over soft rice noodles with a lot of veggies and crushed peanuts. Light lang ang meal na ito for me pero grabe, super flavorful. Heto naman ang Com Ga, Vietnamese style fried chicken with rice, simple, mabango at sobrang comforting at swak kainin anytime of the day. Syempre, hindi rin pwedeng palampasin ng Thit Nuong siya, lemongrass marinated pork na juicy, aromatic at grilled to perfection. And to wrap it all up, we had their signature ice-cold Vietnamese coffee. Malakas ang tama, swabe ang tamis at perfect pang complete ng buong Vietnamese food trip experience. So if you're looking for Vietnam's authentic flavors, generous servings and relaxing vibes, Nha Mana Pho is the perfect spot for you. Yun lang, thanks for watching, like and follow me for more and see you on the next bite.